Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. It's Tuesday, November 25th, 2014. I'm Jeremy, talking about what you can do today to make tomorrow better. Hopefully yesterday you did a little something for somebody. Maybe they know, maybe they didn't, but hopefully it made somebody's day a little brighter. Today, I'm outside my church here at Bella Presbyterian on Mulholland Drive in Los Angeles. And today is their annual turkey. It's their Thanksgiving giveaway day where a whole lot of volunteers from the church come out, pack boxes from 7 a.m. going all the way to like after 11. Right now it's about 9:30. And they just pack boxes that will feed a family of 8 for less fortunate people that don't have it. Fill it with turkey, all the workings for a great Thanksgiving meal. And right now we're getting ready to go into the process of where they load up all the cars and the trucks that are here, so that they can then ship these out to all the families that are in need. So it's just another example of what you can do. So let's go talk and check it out.
It's just nice to see the people's face light up when you just give a box of food. It just means so much.
It's a good feeling to be able to help out, see people that they get, at least they get to have a meal for Thanksgiving and stuff. And I also want to, just show a good example to my kids that, like helping out is something that we're supposed to do.
And it's always a very gratifying event. It's an event that people look forward to all year long, not only for the good that it can be accomplished, but for the fun that can be had in pitching in a mass endeavor like this and on a beautiful day like this, and knowing that you're doing something worthwhile.
To be out here and to give this week, I'm spending Thanksgiving away from my family, and instead of being sad about that, I wanted to come out and help some people that don't have as much or that might need, the community. So I'm fulfilling and being blessed by being in community.
I feel so blessed to be here today, to be able to give back and help those that are in need of help. And I think when you start to give back, you realize what a blessing it is for yourself. It's such a blessing for me, and I think sometimes, most of the time, we get more than what we give. So I'm just happy to be here.
Well, we're like packing these boxes for those people who are a little unfortunate, and so they can have a good Thanksgiving dinner with their family and stuff.
Happy Thanksgiving! Such a great way to be able to kind of share together with one another what we've received, kind of collaborate together, and then give back to those that are in need. And hopefully, we know we're one small part of what God's doing across the city and across the world. We're just excited to kind of be a part of that and be a blessing to others.
Oh yeah. Well, now my brother will tell you a little stuff. No!
This place is awesome. Well, I woke up this morning and thought this would be a great way to give back, helping people. I've had others help me before, and it's just a really selfless act to get out and just do a good turn for somebody else. And it's just feels nice to get outside of yourself and realize there's other people that need help and pay it forward.
Yeah, you don't have to do this huge thing. This is not, you don't have to think about how can I reach 10,000 people, but get to know your neighbor. See what your neighbor's doing for Thanksgiving. If they don't have anywhere to go, consider opening up an extra seat at your table and invite them over. But Thanksgiving is about community. It's about remembering what it is that you're grateful for, the blessings that God has given you, and go ahead and bless your neighbor that way.
We always want to keep in mind what the eternal is. This world's going to pass away. We're looking towards eternity, and that's what we want to plant in our family and our children and our communities, that we have an eternal view ahead of us. So God bless you, and we hope that we can inspire you to get out and do something too.
Brenda, this place is great.
So we did 1,300 meals this year, which equates to about 13,000 people in Los Angeles that we fed in a matter of 5 hours, basically. It's nice to have a project like this because it's very hands-on. You can see the work that you're doing, and it's kind of a sort of immediate reward, if you will. You can see the happiness on the people who are driving away. You can see the thankfulness from everybody who's needing stuff and how much you're actually directly blessing them. And it's such a wonderful, rewarding experience, actually. And in a sense, I always feel that whenever I do a project like this or volunteer, that it feels weird because I feel like I get more reward out of it than even they do. But that's the great thing about volunteering, is that it's so you never realize until you start doing it how wonderful and how much of a blessing it is for yourself as well as blessing others.
just to know that we had a part in making someone's holiday special is just so meaningful, and you really feel the presence of God when you give back.
Amen, sister.
Hopefully you got something from that. Life is all about giving back, especially this week. It's all about what you can do today to make tomorrow better, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Happy Thanksgiving!